Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower. Welcome to the Scandic Hotel Opalen in Göteborg, Sweden. And even though the building looks quite new from the outside, it actually dates back to 1963. Yeah, it is really that old. However, this building has been stacked, and since then it barely looks old anymore. Let's get in and check out the main set of guest elevators, which is a set of 3. I noticed the long distance between floor 8 and floor 9. That is where the old building ends and the new building begins.
Reception. Going down. Reception. Going down. Reception.
And now to the big elevator, which also goes down to the car park.
Going down. Basement. Going up. Going down. Basement.
And now, it is not before I actually rode the service elevator that I learned how old this building really is, as it says it in the doorframe, 1963. And amazingly, the service elevator has never been changed so much. It does not go higher than floor 8. However, the service elevator has been modernized now.